Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. CATIA. We offer a wide range of training programs designed to help you master CATIA, a fundamental software for engineers and designers. Our CATIA courses, available in certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma, cover all facets of CATIA design and engineering. Our programs empower you with the skills needed for precise engineering design, product development, and manufacturing. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. Advanced part design and surface modeling, parametric modeling and generative shape design, assembly design and kinematics analysis, finite element analysis and simulation, technical documentation and drafting, 3D prototyping and rendering, collaborative product development, customization and scripting capabilities. Enroll in the CATIA course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful design and engineering software. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.